Think you can guess the location just by hearing a few clues? Test your vocabulary in this quiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Why Not Academy for another vocabulary quiz. My name is Sarah. If you haven't checked out the previous quiz on jobs and occupations, make sure you check it out after this one. Just a quick reminder, I want you to know that it's very important to expand your vocabulary in your English learning journey. They are the foundation for your building blocks, from vocabulary to phrases to sentences, to ultimately complex compound sentences. Vocabulary allows you to express yourself as well as to understand others in our daily interactions. As usual for this quiz, I have prepared 3 levels of difficulty. The language will progressively get more challenging as you advance. Your task is to guess the location based on the hints provided before the time runs out. Each set of clues will reveal more details, making it easier as you go. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. This place has various types of rooms where people learn. Kids come here daily, I guess except Saturday or Sundays. Teachers help students here. Possible answers include school, academy, education or tutoring center, or preschool. What's your answer? Number 2. This place treats people who are ill. Patients stay here to get better. Highly trained professionals and specialists work here. Possible answers include hospital, clinic, medical center, rehabilitation center, or medical facility. Did you get any of these? All right, number 3. This place is full of books. People come here to read and study, and it is known for being quiet. Possible answers include library, study hall, bookstore, archive, or resource center. Did you get any of these? Number 4. This place has grass and trees. People visit to relax and play. It's a popular spot for picnics. Possible answers include park, garden, playground, recreation area, public lawn, arboretum, or nature reserve. What did you guess? Number 5. This place sells food and household items. You can find fresh produce here. This word, if it's a verb, we pronounce it as produce. But it can also be a noun, which is pronounced as produce. The stress is at the front. Produce. Customers buy groceries here. Potential answers include supermarket, grocery or convenience store, or farmer's market. Did you get it? All right, at this level, number 6, visitors come to learn and explore. Exhibitions are held here, and this place displays art and historical objects. Potential answers include museum, an art gallery, an exhibition hall, or a cultural center. Did you get any of these? Number 7, travelers pass through here. There are terminals and gates. This place is where planes take off and land. Potential answers include airport. It could be international airports or domestic airports. Or it could also be a heliport. What's your answer? Let me know in the comment. Number 8. This place makes products. Workers use machines here. Items are assembled here as well. Possible answers include factory, manufacturing plant, for example, like industrial plant, processing plant, or fabrication plant. The word plant here is not like the trees or the plants in the park, but it refers to a facility where industrial or manufacturing processes take place. We also call those plants. It could also be assembly line, workshop, or industrial facilities. Did you guess any of these? Number 9. It has a large seating capacity. Sports and concerts are held here. Sometimes athletes and performers use this venue. Possible answers include stadium, arena, sports complex, amphitheater, or coliseum. All right, number 10. Guests or travelers stay here overnight. This place offers rooms and suites. There are amenities like pools and restaurants. Possible answers include hotel, motel, resort, guest house, lodge, inn, hostel, or bed and breakfast, what we call B&B. Did you get any of these? All right, here comes the advanced level. This place has equipment for viewing stars. Scientists study the sky here, and public viewing events are held here as well. Potential answers include observatory, planetarium, or astronomy center. Are they also your answers? Number 12. This place represents a foreign country. Officials work here to assist their citizens. Visas and other services are provided here. Potential answers are embassy or consulate. Number 13. This place hosts performance of classical music and singing. It has a grand stage and seating area. Audience come to see performances and concerts. Possible answers include opera house, concert hall, symphony hall, performing arts center, or music theater. All right, number 14. Scientists conduct studies here. This place focuses on advanced research. Findings and innovations are developed here. Possible answers include research center, laboratory, innovation hub, or science and technology park. All right, last one. Large meetings and events are held here. It has multiple rooms and halls. Conferences and exhibitions take place here. Possible answers include convention center, conference center, or exhibition hall. Great job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed the challenge and learned some new words along the way. Remember, learning vocabulary in themes helps you better understand and retain new terms by connecting them to real-life contexts. If you like this quiz, give me a like, comment any other themes you want me to cover, and turn into a game quiz. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Also, connect with me on my IG for more updates and insights. Thanks for playing and see you next time. Bye for now.